Welcome to Module 3, Irresistible Ads. So in this one, we're going to learn all about how to create amazing ads that people are actually going to want to click on. So first up, we're going to look at the anatomy of an app install ad. We're going to see exactly how they work, how they're constructed. Then we're going to move on and look at how we can craft engaging images that catch people's attention. And then after that, we'll look at how we can capture the click. We want to get people to click on our ads by using great copy or great ad text. And after that, we're going to take a look at some examples and see exactly how the top performers are putting their ads together. We're going to look at the techniques and tactics that they're using so we can leverage those in our own Facebook ads. Now let's move straight into the anatomy of an app install ad. So this is an example that I've taken from my own Facebook newsfeeds. It's an actual ad. I'll start at the top. We'll work down through each of the elements. At the very top, we've got our app name and icon. These are taken directly from the App Store, so they'll be the same as the icon and title that you use there. We can't actually change this in the Power Editor. Below that, we've got the body text or the ad copy. Next up is the image or video. And below that, we've got the ad headline. So again, like the body text and the image or video, the headline is configurable in the Power Editor, as is the CTA button. You've actually got a predetermined list of CTA buttons that you can use. And finally at the bottom we've got the App Store rating. So this one's taken from the App Store just like the app name and icon. So if you've got an average rating for your app, it will display here. So as you can see, it's definitely worth getting a rating for your app because it's going to display at the bottom of your ads. It's going to be a bit of social proof and it's going to encourage people to click on them. Before we move on, I just want to show you a second example. You'll notice that this one's slightly different to the one we just saw. So it contains almost all of the same elements as the previous ad, minus the app name and icon at the top. This one doesn't show a rating, but that's just because this particular app doesn't have an average rating in the store. So if it did, then this ad on the right would also show the App Store rating. The reason it's different is because this ad appears in the More Apps section of the mobile newsfeed, as opposed to the one on the left, which just appears directly in the newsfeed. So I'll give you a quick demo now to show you a few app install ads in the newsfeed, and then you'll be able to see exactly where these ones appear and why they look slightly different. Let's go to the demo. Here we are in the mobile newsfeed on an iPhone. We're in the Facebook app. And as we scroll down the newsfeed, we see a suggested app listed. Facebook knows what apps you've got installed on your phone. They know what you're interested in, what you've liked before, and they have got behavioral data as well. And that's how they determine which apps to suggest to you in your newsfeed. Now, this is the first place that suggested apps will appear. The second place is if we hit the little down arrow in the top corner there, more, and we go see more apps, and that will actually provide a list of suggested apps for you. And that's the second place that people can find your app install ads or app engagement ads in the newsfeed.